you can start recording.
Hello, welcome all. Welcome all the women entrepreneurs, all the followers of V, as well as all the followers of Memories Worldwide Tours and Travel. Me and Chatali welcome all of you and wish you a very happy Diwali and happy New Year. So here we are here to talk about our live series, which I am doing these days for all the women entrepreneurs to know about their life stories, their journeys, and their travel experience, of course, so that our women can get inspired to take new responsibility, to accept the challenges, and move on in their life. Personal life, yes, they should take care, but they can always do something which always they dreamt for, always what they had in their sabbatical and then they could not come back to. So this is an opportunity. Get inspired, learn from all these successful women entrepreneurs and take your journey ahead. So in the same series, I welcome Chetali Chatterjee. She is a very successful entrepreneur, had a very successful career graph with a lot of challenges and many degrees and certificates in her cap, which is very inspiring and encouraging and motivational for all of us. So we start from Chetali. Welcome you, Chetali, on our in live series, and share your success story, how you all started it, what all hiccups or problems which you faced, and how your journey moved, and you kept on doing things um, in spite of all the hurdles what came in your life.
First of all, thank you, Priyanka, for inviting me for this amazing session. Um, yes, I would really like to share the journey, which was definitely full of hurdles, ups, lots and ups and downs. Of course, nothing, no gains without pain. So
Correct.
nothing is smooth. We have to, face a lot of challenges uh, to reach to success. I am from a small city called Nagpur, and I'm born and brought up there. Did my
Okay.
BSc in computers in Nagpur. Then I did my MBA from Indore Devi Alian University, and then after marriage, I came to Mumbai. After marriage, I started doing my job, and other than along with the job, I was also studying. I studied part time. I did part time postgraduate diploma in export import management. Then I did evening classes, evening college. I did masters in computer applications. I am a CSI certified profession as well. So this is my qualification.
Okay.
Worked with various companies, started with a courier company, then worked with insurance, then plastics products, stationaries, training solutions, uh, sold flats. In fact, I've sold everything actually. A lot of things I've sold. Okay.
That's
Uh,
really great.
you know, yes. But yes, definitely my determination. Yes, मैं बहुत जिद्दी हूँ actually. What I think I have to do, I will do it.
That's
That is
important.
yes. And I do remember I would share a very short story about how I did my MCA,
Okay.
Masters of Computer Application. When I before marriage, after my graduation, what happened is I wanted to do MCA, but I got admission in MBA. I got admission in MCA also in Indian Institute of Technology in Ghaziabad. But my
Okay.
father didn't want to send over there.
Correct.
So तो मैंने MBA कर लिया इंदौर से, and Indore was a safer city,
Correct.
um, and then nearby to Nagpur as well.
Yes.
So after that, but मुझे करना ही था. So now, but after marriage, when I came to Mumbai, I started my job. Yes, we have to, in Mumbai, for there have to there definitely two people have to work. So,
Correct.
anyways, um, I had my college in Ghatkopar. I used to travel to Worli,
Okay.
okay, for my job. So morning at 4 to 5 o'clock, I used to get up, study. I didn't had I was not so much
One.
I couldn't afford maid that time actually.
Correct.
So cooked my food. Then I did, tiffin वगैरह बना के. Then I used to rush to catch 8:35 bus from Marol to Worli.
Correct.
Okay, reached Worli at 10 o'clock, 10 to 6 office, and then 6:10 I used to catch another bus to Kurla because I had my not Kurla, Ghatkopar, sorry.
Okay.
I had my college over there,
Okay.
MCA college. Then 7:30 to 10 o'clock was my college, and then I used to come back home around 11 o'clock because again फिर से बस से आती थी मैं.
Correct.
10 to 11 traveling again मरोल में आके फिर फ्रेश होके खाना बना के खाना खा के 12-1 बजे, like 4 to 5 hours I was to sleep. But I think remember friends, determination is very important.
Correct.
You have to जो करना है, efforts, determination is very important.
Correct.
Yes, I started my career with a small courier company. My salary was 4,000 that time, and we used to get travel for 1,000 rupees.
Correct.
Okay. In that courier company also, I created a history. That time, in a small courier company, achieving a business of 1 lakh rupee per month was a big thing.
Yes.
And I created that history over
That's
that
great.
time.
That's great.
And you won't believe वो travel allowance जो 1,000 rupees जो होता था ना, वो हम कैसे बचाते थे. I used to, I didn't leave any stone unturned. To achieve the business, what I used to do, हर building के 5th-6th floor पे एकदम top floor में चले जाती थी. हर, every company I used to knock the door, talk to those receptionists, and I tried to, उस वक्त इंटरनेट नहीं हुआ करता था, गूगल नहीं था.
Correct.
Okay, उनसे पूछ के कि क्यों, who is your admin head और HR head who will take the decision, और फिर उनसे हम मिलते थे. और अगर नहीं मिल पाते तो we used to take the appointment. Next time again we used to come. And चकाला से लेके सीब्स तक I used to daily travel walking. Okay.
Wow.
Yes, वो 1,000 rupees बचाना था ना.
That is more important.
Yes.
Correct. Correct.
So in the
And
meanwhile,
we had
we
that
was doing.
energy, we had that enthusiasm,
Yes.
so that automatically kept us motivating that yes, we have to do something. We were self-motivated. So yes,
Yes.
to prove ourselves basically.
Yes. So in the job again, from executive to senior executive to manager, I was promoted and I was doing well. But in the meanwhile, I lost my father-in-law, and I resigned my job, went and stayed with my mother-in-law in Kolkata for 40 days.
Yeah.
Came back, joined a builder जो salary नहीं देता था. And yes, this is the way
How
work with
life goes
various.
on. Yes, very
Yes.
ups and downs.
And I would like to also share another story with one of the companies where I achieved a CEO award. But while, when I was recruited, the VP of that company always said, we will not recruit any female in sales. Okay.
Oh,
And my GM, whom I was reporting, he wanted me to join because somewhere he met and he came to know, and he said, no, I want this female to join us.
okay.
And out of 25 salespeople in the entire country, I was the only female.
Okay.
And वहाँ पर भी struggle कि मुझे आगे बढ़ना है. And there was one account, it was a government account which was not been able to crack by our VP also, and I was the person who cracked that account with
So amazing.
it was a business of 2 crore,
Okay.
and for which I received a CEO award.
That's
Why I'm saying this story, because I'll tell you, for this particular account मैं करती क्या थी. Daily I used to, it was in Nariman Point, the office was in Nariman Point. सुबह निकल के सीधा जाके उस office में जाके बैठने का.
correct.
Entire day I used to sit over there at the reception. So the person who was decision maker, he used to come and meet me and then go away from there. And ठीक है, कल. But 30 days on continuous basis, except the Saturdays and Sundays, I used to go there and sit. वो मेरा मुंह देख देख के रोज वो बंदा थक जाता था. कभी बेचारा एक आधा बार चाय भी पिला देता था शाम को 4 बजे. But I didn't leave him. And one fine day, he took me to the MT and they signed a deal of 2 CR. And
Wow,
that was I feel, I really feel proud because,
Yes.
वो मेरी मेहनत थी, my patience, the perseverance, which is very
Perseverance,
important.
yes. It's a very
Yes.
big learning lessons for the youngsters to have perseverance because they give up very, very soon. They feel that they should
Yes.
go and get the business, and next day they will blame us or blame the circumstances or blame the client. This is not the way. Yes, perseverance is one thing which helps you in long term, and that is why you are able to share that success story even after so many years with us. So it's really a very big life learning lessons for all of us.
And yes, and then when I worked with various companies, Aptech, NIT, Leadership Management International. Last company I worked as a national sales head, and doing very good. A lot of domestic travel. My son that time was just 5 6 years old,
Okay.
uh, but the, and I was doing good. But my husband shifted to a different city
Okay.
on a deputation.
Okay.
So of course, and that's the reason I didn't leave my this Mumbai, because it was my own house, and he went for a deputation. तो वापस आने के chances थे पाँच
Correct.
छह महीने के
Correct.
yes, लेकिन लोगों को problems थे कि ये जा क्यों नहीं रही है, husband वहाँ पे अकेला है, so many
All
hours of
sides of
space.
yes. Gossip
Yes,
questions are
but
always there.
I fought for myself. नहीं नहीं मैं तो I will not leave my job and go. But finally, what happened is I used to leave at 7 o'clock. रात को 10 बजे आती थी. And problem was my son was small, and I was seeing growing in the hands of the maid. And then I said, no, बहुत हो गया. Let
Right.
it be. I will leave my job. Of course, there was no pressure from my family to leave the job. Nobody.
Okay.
In fact, nobody wanted me to leave the job, because when I left the job, nobody wanted the. I mean, nobody supported this decision. Including my parents as well.
Oh, that's
Why? Because yeah.
it must
So
be a great job.
yeah, a hefty salary. Uske baad, good position. Nobody wanted me to leave, but it was my own personal decision, because I wanted to give time to my
Son.
son.
You have to
And but
balance at certain
I,
time, personal life and your professional career. So you take certain decisions which is your onus, you feel so.
yes,
Right.
but it doesn't mean that I left. I didn't leave. I
Yes.
working. I started freelancing, trying to get a lot of projects. Worked on various projects. At that time, in the meanwhile, I certified myself as a CSR consultant from Indian Center for CSR. I did network marketing, where again I proved myself 2,500 members in 1.5 years.
That's a
But
big number.
again, yes, I was doing good. But again, life plays a lot of games with us.
Correct.
uh, Company closed down its operations in India, and then again I lost. Okay,
Oh God.
and yes, um, and definitely, I when I was doing my job, I was traveling on my car. I had a driver, and suddenly, starting from scratch, again visit traveling on bus. You can understand how things like there was sometimes, and important is there is no support from your family. That time is like you feel too much lonely that time. Okay,
Correct.
and sometimes it was like, yeah, it was too much. And then I said, ki, I motivated myself.
Mm.
I used to see Sandeep Maheshwari ke videos daily at night. So I tell a lot of women, they are actually facing such kind of problems. So
Correct.
don't get demotivated.
Correct.
Motivate yourself. There is nobody with you. You are yourself with you. The God is with you.
Yes.
And um, then 3.5 years passed. Then I said, no, let it be. Let me shift to along with my husband. It was too much, because he was not able to get back to Mumbai. So I shifted in 2015 November. Then again, what happened is December itself, my husband got a call from Mumbai.
Oh.
Yes. तो अब वहाँ पे क्या था, my son again, he is like अभी मुझे session complete करना
Midterm.
था March तक मुझे. Then I stayed again. I was alone. Stayed 3 months there alone. And this is the way. Then after 3 months, I came back, and then what? My husband told, now I'm back. Let's start. Why don't you start a job? So
Correct.
now I also ठीक है. It's let me restart. I searched so many companies, but most of the companies, what they said, आपने तो 4 5 साल कुछ किया ही नहीं है.
Oh.
I don't understand. किया नहीं, मैंने सबसे ज्यादा काम किया. इनफैक्ट
Correct.
फ्रीलांसिंग के टाइम तो हम ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस गेन करते हैं,
Correct.
ज्यादा काम करते हैं.
Very
Okay,
true.
so the job I was getting was peanuts salary, with peanut salary, and I don't understand what is the what is the mindset of these corporate. Why don't they understand that the women, they deserve more? They are, they have more caliber, but
Correct.
the
Of course.
they can't understand. They are the best managers, but they don't want, uh, still there are a lot of corporate, they have still this culture that they will not allow women to get promoted. There are, and thanks to Modi ji, who is actually doing lots for women.
Yes,
And I'll give you one more small example,
of
one
course.
more story. In 2004, I lost my daughter. I delivered a baby girl, and
Oh,
she was there for just 12 hours. And I lost. And then 3 months I was on break. After that,
oh.
again, when I tried to search job, you won't believe, I got questions from the recruiter saying, "आप फिर से pregnant तो नहीं हो जाएंगी ना?"
That's so
So
mean. That's so mean. But
that's what.
they also have families. They must be also having women in their life, and still people talk like this in this era, sitting in Mumbai, which is so called a very modern and advanced and cosmopolitan culture. It's really pathetic to listen such thing is still happening. And in few years back, you are talking about, right?
Yes,
In
last 10
21st
years
century,
back.
we are talking about all these things.
Yes, yes.
Oh God.
But frankly, and I'm speaking, there was in Pragati Software, I got a job from Preeti Sharma. I'm mentioning especially her name. Thanks to her, she gave me the job.
Yeah, she's
And
an amazing lady.
yes,
Yes.
and and then the journey was going on. And yes, what I was saying is this: after coming back to Mumbai in 2016, when I was searching for a job, since I was not getting any job, and finally I got a job in one of the NGO with one-fourth of the salary which I was getting in 2010.
Oh God.
And yes, working as a manager, reporting to branch head, where I was, working as a VP with a hefty salary. Now working as a manager, reporting to a branch head. Yet still things went good. I got new accounts for the organization. Uh, One fine day, one of the lady boss joined us, and somehow she never liked me. Maybe because of my, hota hai na, qualification,
Correct,
experience.
correct. They have their
I
own
was
complexes. Yes.
yes. So the corporate politics, but I always say thanks to her. मैं हमेशा उनको thanks बोलती. I tell everybody कि जिसने आपके साथ अगर कुछ बुरा किया है ना, उसको thanks बोलो, because they are, because of them, they are the
You
part of
moved
your
ahead.
success.
Yes. You moved
Yes,
further ahead. Correct.
yes. Then I joined one media company. Again, it was going smooth, different bosses. Again, I cracked a deal. There was one of the lady boss, and she said, "No, it is because of me. Corporate politics, daily insult." Told my husband, "Yeah, बहुत हो गया यार. I will earn less, but I want respect. This is not the way
Correct.
that I cannot." Then I told him, "Give me 3 years of time." And then in 2018, I registered Shrem Communications and Solutions, which is into
Yes.
media, PR, marketing, and training solutions company.
Correct.
And in 2018 itself, towards the end, I registered High Products Private Limited, which is a hygiene. Trading of hygiene products. People are selling hand sanitizers now, but I am selling since last 2 years
Okay.
sanitizers and sanitary napkins. Mask I recently started, where we
Okay.
are connected to various brands, so we are selling branded products now.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, and then I felt, I also felt at the same time that I felt that there are a lot of women who want to restart after break,
Correct.
after their sabbatical, and probably they also must have faced problems like me. So I
Similar
thought, let me
situation.
start up a group where women help each other.
Right.
And then I started We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave,
Yes.
where our motto of our group is "We Grow Together."
Correct.
And the plan was like giving projects to a lot of aspiring women entrepreneurs who are looking out for something. And then I'm trying to connect to the corporate companies, trying to connect them to the businesses. And there are a lot of women who were struggling entrepreneurs that I said, "Oh, I'm good in promotions, so let me promote them." So
Yes.
this was the idea. This was the idea that came, and I started with 12 women entrepreneurs. And today, We are 7,500 plus women entrepreneurs in 8 locations:
That's a very
Mumbai,
big
Delhi,
number.
Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore, Assam, and Singapore. And frankly speaking, people, I'll tell you, today my entire family supports me.
Yeah,
And let me tell you that during the lockdown itself, although I have not earned much, but I didn't stop. I
that's
always tell, there are a lot of women, "नहीं, मेरा नहीं हो रहा है." So be there. Priyanka, you also did a lot of new things during the lockdown.
correct.
So it's very important to be there. So
Yes,
if आज नहीं हुआ तो कल तो होगा ही ना, but be there.
yes,
That
that's important.
don't leave it. Whatever is it, don't leave it.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. So inspiring to know so much about you, Chaitali. It's really very, very motivational to all the ladies, all the people who are listening and would be listening once we record this video and upload it on our social media. I'm sure they will be having more respect for you as a woman. You have gone through so much. And the best part is, if you are determined and your family is there to support you, or even if remain neutral, you women can do wonders. We are really Shakti and we have many hands and many eyes, and we can really aspire what we want to. It's good that Minky has joined, Parth has joined, Amisha has joined. Welcome you all, and hope you are enjoying this conversation. So on the same storyline, I would like to share a little bit of my experience, my journey. Um, so I also did my BSc with maths, physics, and chemistry, and I did my post graduation MBA from Indore, Devi Ahalya University, same as yours, same pinch. And then I joined the travel line. I worked for various companies, and I took sabbatical when my kids were born and they were very small. The good part is my husband always supported me. When you join any company, any yeah, it's yeah, he never discouraged me. The only demand he had was ki mujhe mat bhul jana tum when you are doing your work. So take care of your children, take care of your family, and keep growing and keep doing whatever you want to do in your life. So when I was doing all these things in the corporate world, yes, there is a lot of politics, like a lot of ups and downs. You get all kind of bosses, all kind of challenges, and you have to meet your target, manage your team. Everything was fine, quite stressful at times. So I was doing all these things and learning and upgrading my skills whenever I got the time. I always realized it. I cannot remain. I should not be left behind. When everything is now technology based, I should also move with the technology. And so I kept on upgrading myself as and when I got the opportunity. Due to personal reasons, family reasons, we shifted to Mumbai in 2016. And then I realized it's high time that now I should not work for anyone, but I should work for myself. And there were many people, my suppliers, my vendors, my client base, they all supported me in hand to hand. Yes, ma'am, you should do. We will help you. We'll support you. We are always there with you. So I started working with them without giving any name or any brand. But subsequently, then I gave this brand and registered it, and now doing it in more professional way for last 3-4 years. So when I was launching this, I realized just yes, my bread and butter or my regular thing can always be tours, for family tours within India or international, because people do require your hand holding, they require your guidance when they travel internationally. But I need to, apart from doing these tours and customizing what online cannot give, what big brands cannot give, I should be able to cater to such requirements, and so that they can really enjoy the holidays and create good memories for themselves. And but I always had this in the mind ki I should have do something for the women travelers. So I wanted to encourage women travelers. I wanted to ensure that they are confident when they travel, because even in India, even now, when we see, yes, now younger generation is traveling quite some, but if you see in our era, in our generation, we were little rigid and we were little apprehensive about traveling alone. So I wanted to encourage the concept of women traveling and solo travelers. This is how I thought, yes, I should do a lot of women tour programs as well. And this was a time, this is a so-called the pandemic time, when we are not doing much of travel as such, at least we can inspire ladies, and when they listen and they hear stories from successful entrepreneurs like you, Chetali, I'm sure it will help not only to grow professionally, but also they can start traveling on their own someday. Either way, whatever is comfortable with them. Family travel, family time is always in thing. So in the same series now, I will just ask you a few questions related to the travel line. So which is
So,
your dream destination, Chetali, if you can share? And other who have joined this, they can also express us in the chat box, which is their dream destination.
frankly speaking, Priyanka, I don't have any dream destination as such, but I have a dream to travel every part of the world. I
Yes,
really want to travel everywhere. So,
yes.
because every place has its uniqueness.
Right. So even when we see the entire Maharashtra is so beautiful, India has to offer everything what you dreamt of, what you can imagine. But yes, the entire world is so unique, and there's so much to learn and so much to experience from their history, from their culture, from their nature, adventure. Everything you can get a lot of experience from different parts of the continent. So, a little bit of funny question I would like to ask you is, which is your favorite place for buying saris? Delhi, Chennai, or Kolkata, or maybe Mumbai?
Kolkata, of course.
Yes,
Kolkata, of course.
the
For
Kolkata
saris,
saris are
Kolkata.
always in thing, right?
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah. So,
We
which
do have a lot of women entrepreneurs in our group who are
yes,
doing, who are into a lot of beautiful saris from
yes,
Kolkata.
and I always get tempted to buy, and I do keep
Yeah,
buying.
I know that. I know that.
Yes. And another question is, where would you like to go for your next honeymoon or next marriage anniversary?
Northeast, I want to go first in
That's
India.
great. It's very
Yes.
beautiful. It's very pristine. Certain states are very peace, and they are open for tourism also now. Maybe you can travel to Sikkim or Assam or Meghalaya, and it's wonderful to travel to these places. You will certainly have a nice experience and memorable trip. I wish you all the best. You will certainly enjoy this. So, in another question, I just want to say is, have you ever thought of gifting a holiday to your women sister or your mom in your relationship? Maybe you don't have a daughter, maybe someday to your daughter-in-law as well. So, do you believe in such concept? If we do this kind of a thing, will it help? Will people understand this? We can always give a holiday to a women, you know. Yes, go and enjoy and explore as a lady, as a solo traveler.
I have already given to my sister on her marriage.
Oh, that's
So
really
it's already
great
10 years back. I gave her, honeymoon trip.
package. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
honeymoon
So
package.
I'm
Yeah.
talking
So
about as a solo traveler, as a women traveler. So someday, yes, for family reasons, when you are not able to travel, of course, you can always travel solo as well. So this is what my question was. So another funny question is, any movie you remember which has a name of any city or any place? Any Bollywood movie?
Delhi 6, right?
Yes. Good. That's nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think we should now complete this. And any last message, any last, we can just talk about our social medias where you all are present, and people can join us on all those social media to have live updates on travel news, on destination knowledge, on various kinds of packages, on regular and offbeat destination. And my company is Memories Worldwide. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Insta, YouTube, LinkedIn, and all the places. Same, Jetali, when you can speak about your the last word to all our listeners.
So I would like to say to all my V members and all the other entrepreneurs as well, follow the dreams. Don't stop.
Yes,
ठीक है अगर है पैंडेमिक तो है ठीक है बट इट्स अ चैलेंज लेकिन काफी कुछ नया भी तो आया है ना फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग दिस ऑनलाइन I have reached Australia, I have reached Japan. I mean, I have got women entrepreneurs from there because of this online. So take this positively, and
correct.
important is determination, perseverance, and patience is the key to
Yes.
success.
Very true, very true. This is a time to learn and learn new things. whatever you have missed because of your professional life or personal life, which you could not give time to because of the hectic routine. This is a time, 2020, to work on all those hobbies, on all those
Yes.
skills, all those learnings, and enjoy this time. So don't think things will again come up and we all can progress and grow further. But this is also a learning time for all of us. Thank you. Thank you, Chaitali, and thank you all the other members who have joined this session. We will be posting this on YouTube as well as on our
Yes.
Facebook. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Chaitali.
Priyanka.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
very much.
joining. Thank you, everyone, for
Namaste.
joining us.
Namaste.
Here we complete our
Thank you.
session. Thanks.
Thanks. Thanks.